Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. How your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. All of you when you right on over here, special welcome to you. And thank you so very much. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning, I want to know everything about me and all of that, manners and respect. Now today, this is a major video. This video was supposed to be done a very long time, and I think with the fall season just kicking right now in gear, I think it's the perfect time. We had fall short on this video, by the way, side. And I know you all love us, but even though you love us, we are saying that we are sorry now. Okay? This video was supposed to be done through the voting on the community section there that you voted for us to do the red pea soup on the coal stove outside. We had fallen short a bit for a few weeks now with that community thing, and we're asking for your pardon. We are sorry. Even though we know you love us, it's always okay to say you're sorry when we messed up. Isn't it so? If you think that's so, please come in. Please say something. Now right into this. Now we're going to be doing some red pea soup. This is a reasonable size pot. This is not a big pot in Jamaica. It's just a reasonable size pot. So we got in here some nice peas that has been pre-soaked. Okay, and I soaked this overnight. So what I have in here is just red peas and water that has been soaked. When you soak your peas, whether for cooking rice and peas or stew peas or coconut milk, don't throw the water out. You're throwing out the strength and the flavor of the peas. So what I want to do now, I want to go in with, because the size, that's what I'm doing, I want to go in with 5 pegs of smashed garlic. Okay, so you just use something hard and you just smash the garlic, and then you get that the trash there coming right off. We're going to smash it because we want it to go starting to cook with the peas. Okay, we're going to be doing this red pea soup on the coal stove on the outside, but we'll be doing all the preparation like the food and all of those things we'll be doing. We're going to be doing some inside work in here. So we'll be moving from in here to right on out there. We'll be, you know it, we'll be riding and whistling and more on the what you call it now, the professional side. We'll be multitasking. Now normally with the Jamaican red pea soup, there is not a specific way to say it's authentic. What really makes it authentic is something salty like pig's tail or salt beef. That is what makes it authentic. But when you use your pigtail and your salt beef, you can just do about anything. You can add some brown chicken. You can just twist it. What makes it really authentic and original is the salty meat inside there. Okay? So you can just do, a lot of people do their thing different ways. I'm sharing with you today my way, but it still makes it Jamaican red pea soup. So I have inside here my peas. I've pre-soaked my pigtail, wash it and pre-soak it overnight. My pigtail is soaking now for about 13 hours. I've changed the water 3 times. So what I want to do right inside here, I'm not going to cut these pigtails smaller because I'm going to leave them to cook with the peas. Now if you cut them smaller and leave them to cook with the peas, they will get mashed. So I'm going to be putting them in, and I'll be preparing for you all. So I now move them like a niceness here with fat. Some people will have a problem with them. Put the camera up on me, camera girl. But some people, this part of the pigtail are them life, the little fat part here, nice part when it cook with dumpling now with soap. If this part of the pigtail is your life, please comment. So I'm cooking for you all. I'm preparing for you. But if you don't like that part and nothing is wrong when you're eating, you can just easily remove it. So I'll be putting in them this size. When we're ready to serve, you'll see what will happen. Okay? Now, if we weren't using salt meat, we would add a little salt to our peas. But we don't need to because the pigtail is a bit salty. So we take out some of the salt. So we not have to put no salt. So this is what we're going to be having. And we're going to be using some cold cold water, not hot water. We'll be putting on this peas and this pigtail just with the garlic and some cold water. When you see me next, I'll be on the outside on the cold stove. As you can see, I'm on the outside. This is my cold stove. We will not get as much or a little or no smoke from it. This is cold. Sometimes you'll get a little smoke depending on the type of wood they use. Sometimes the wood them no burn out, so you will get a little smoke. Okay, this is the cold stove version. As you can see, this is the amount of water I have here, and it will be slow cooking for a period of time with the pigtail and the peas. This is how you start off your red peas soup, family. This is the way to start your red pea soup off. Not necessarily on the cold stove, but even on your stove top, your electric, your gas range, whatever. This is the way to start off your red pea soup, especially with salted meat. Okay, now family, now that I've left my peas and my pigtail on the outside to cook on the coal, we have got some other work to do inside here due to how I am making my red pea soup. Now I've got here some beef shin. I was looking for gooseneck, and I've given it a light seasoning with a little black pepper, a little pimento seed and salt, and a little, little garlic and a little piece of ginger. So this is how I'm doing it. I'm going to be using, let me get it all. This is some shin of beef shin. As I said, I was looking for the gooseneck. If you can get gooseneck, so much better. You know the gooseneck part of the beef? If you know it, all of you know about the gooseneck type, that nice, the soft, nice, mushy part, gooseneck. But the shin is good. The shin can work too. So what I'm going to do, I don't want to put, this is fresh meat, so I don't want to put it in there like that. I want to get it all sort of slightly brown off and get a little flavor to it. So I'm going to put in the shin inside here. I'm going to get it a little brown off, and I start a little half cooking off. So we have that inside here. I hope you're all in on what I'm doing. I want to get it a little brown color, that when it goes into the soup, it's not all white. I just want it to have a nice little flavor to add it to the soup. You there with me, family? So make we leave that to go on, cook off, saute off a bit. So you season this ahead of time. We're going to get the meat part out of the way. Now I have right here some cow skins in some vinegar water. So I'm going to be finished cleaning them off and cut them out in smaller pieces. I might not use all of this. This is like 1.5 pounds. I might just use 1 pound. We are going to be like pressuring the the cow skin to a certain level. And then you'll see how we're going to put our cow skin in there. So we're using pigtail, beef shin, and cow skin as the meat. Hello, please. This is going to be a serious soup, If you think this is part 1, that it is going to be a serious soup, please to type something in the comment section. Let's take this out of the way. Right here I have my cornmeal dumpling dough. I have done this dough ahead of time, and I've wrapped it in plastic wrap. I want my cornmeal dumpling and my red pea soup to really serious turn up cornmeal dumpling. Now this video, this cornmeal dumpling dough was done with a little kitchen skills expertise. I've made a small video for you, and we'll show you that video sometime to come. If you would like to see, please say in the comment section, we'll share that video. It was just like showing you a little kitchen skills, okay? Now, I want to use in my soup, I have my dumpling there, some yellow yam. I also want to put a little piece of pum yam. Hello, the yam was too big, so she cut piece of the part, give me. You know the pum yam, all you Jamaicans, you know the pum. It is a little sort of bumpy yam that has some little ins and outs. Because I wanted only 1 pound, she cut it like this. It is dry. So when we are ready to put all of these food in the soup, you will see where the pum yam look like it's extra dry. It will choke you. All you Jamaicans who know a thing about this, when last you had it, comment below. And if where you are in foreign land, you get it, please comment. Now I will put in some sweet potatoes, not Irish potato, in the red pea soup. I'll be using a few pieces of breadfruit, and also I will put in some green coconut milk in this soup. We have got our herbs and stuff to flavor and all of that. Our shin is over here, our beef shin is over here, being sauteed off. So we're gonna finish do that, get everything ready our pigtail, and our peas is on the outside, and the coleslaw being cooked on the medium, and everything is on the gelatin. You all family, this is the end of part 1. Would like to see the finishing of all this soup put together, stick and steel. Debbie down I add, same way.